I love being in this car, y'all. I'm telling you, it's nothing like an old school car. It's nothing like being in an old school car, you know what I'm saying? Because that's something I want to do. I want to change these drums to like regular brake calipers and rotors. Y'all see the car shifting perfectly on its own.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I fell, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pockets not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog. I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? This your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, if y'all did not watch my last video, if y'all can't tell, the box Chevy is back home, you know what I'm saying? So go watch the last video. I'll show y'all everything that was done with the car. Now I'm finna just tell y'all basically a little quick summary. So we got a new fan shroud, new radiator, new alternator, and the dust shield was put on for the transmission right below the torque converter, you feel me, and the transmission fluid leak. So he fixed all that for me, you know what I'm saying? All that was done in less than a week, you know what I'm saying? So this video, we're finna take the car on a test drive, even though I had to drive it home. So I already kind of test drove it myself, but I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Now the car feels perfect, the car runs great, sounds good, cranks up first try, and now I don't have to, whenever I start the car, plug my alternator up to where I know the alternator's plugged up, you know what I'm saying? And when I turn the car off, I don't have to unplug it anymore. So alternator is done, brand new alternator on this car. So I have to, like I said, don't have to worry about plugging it up and unplugging it every time I start and turn off the car. So got that done, and like I said, I'm so happy I got that done, because it gets a little annoying, you know what I'm saying? Every time I start the car and drive the car and go somewhere or turn it off, I have to unplug and plug the alternator up and unplug it, you feel me? And like I said, it gets annoying. And sometimes I might forget, but most times I don't forget, because the alternator or the battery will show up on the dash, and that's my reminder there, and I hate that, you know what I'm saying? I hate it. But like I said, now that that's done, I don't have to worry about doing that anymore. Now I can just get in the car, crank it up, go, you know what I'm saying? Get in and go. Don't have to get in it and then go back out, plug the alternator up, then try to go, then park it, get out, turn the car off, get out, unplug the alternator. And then, you feel me? That's just too much, and I'm glad I got that done. So this video, like I said, we're just gonna be taking the car on a test ride, and I'm just glad I got the car back. So now we can start doing really whatever else that we needed to do with this car, you know what I'm saying? For one, putting on the wheels and saving these rally wheels for when my Cutlass come home, and then, you know what I'm saying, and putting my center console in, which I'm gonna be doing today. I'll be getting the tires mounted probably tomorrow or Friday. Today's Wednesday, which I'm recording this video, so I'm probably get them tires put on the 26s Friday maybe, and then we're gonna mount the wheels this weekend, and then we're gonna do a test drive with the wheels on it, because you know what I'm saying, I ain't never had a car with wheels bigger than 24s. Well, I should say I never drove a car with wheels bigger than 24s. Well, 24-inch wheels, you know what I'm saying? My Charger's the only car that I have with rims on it, and 22 was as big as I had. I haven't went 24s on it, because I know I need some, like, I know my control arms and stuff, and then that bolt, it'll hit the tires and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So it'll be a lot of stuff I still have to purchase, like some control arm extensions and all that type of stuff, you feel me? Just for, I think it's control arm extensions, honestly, I don't know. But just for me to fit the 24s, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want that bolt to bust the tires if I hit like a small bump or anything, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, we finna take this car on a test drive and show y'all how it's running, you feel me? It runs perfectly, it runs smooth, it runs good, and I just love being inside this car again and being able to drive it, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Y'all won't miss a video, y'all stay in rotation, and share the channel, you feel me? Make sure y'all share the channel to help us keep growing. The more family members we get on this channel, the more things we'll be able to do in the future, you know what I'm saying? So let's keep growing, let's keep elevating. That's the whole purpose of doing this, is to keep growing and elevating. So let's go ahead and start the car up and let it warm up. It should crank up first try. And the idle's good, it sounds good. You know what I'm saying? And the alternator's holding the charge. So I'm finna let the car warm up for a little bit, about a couple minutes, about 5 minutes. Then I will catch y'all once we getting on the road. So y'all stay tuned. And yeah, let's have a little fun drive, you know what I'm saying, in the box Chevy since we got it back home. Alright guys, so we finna ready to take off. Now it is a little warm outside, but I'm not gonna let my windows down, you know what I'm saying, because I don't want the wind and stuff be blowing and it be too loud. Even though this car is already loud itself, you know what I'm saying. But let's go for a little cruise. Let's go for a little cruise. Man, I'm telling y'all, this car sounds so good. And I just love being in this car. You know what I'm saying? I love being in this car. But as y'all can see, the car is, everything's shifting right. See? Everything's shifting right. The car's not running like weird, you know what I'm saying? Everything is really good right now. You know what I'm saying? So I just love being in this car, I'm telling y'all. Blinkers work, as y'all know. I love being in this car, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's nothing like an old school car. It's nothing like being in an old school car, you know what I'm saying? But as y'all can tell, everything is good. The car is running good. It sounds good. Man, I'm telling you, I love being in this car, man. I love driving this car. I love having this car just being on the road, you know what I'm saying? The car is registered, it's insured, and now it's running good, you know what I'm saying? So, it's a blessing, man, I'm telling y'all. And the fact that I got my dream car when I turned 20, it's a blessing. I done had this car for 2 years now, going on 3. It's a blessing, man, I'm telling y'all. Traffic is pretty packed too. Y'all know brakes work good, everything. Oh, also I wanted to talk to y'all too. I'm trying to find a drum replacement, not replacement, but I want to change my rear drums from drums to regular brakes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to find a kit online. Now I think I seen it on Jegs. Honestly, I don't know. I think, like I said, I think I've seen it on Jegs, but I'm trying to replace my rear brake kit. You know what I'm saying? Get the rear brake kit replacement. I was just like, what is this car doing? They just sitting in the middle of the road. But yeah, like I was saying, man, I'm trying to find that kit to change the rear brakes from drums to regular brakes. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking for that now, because that's something I want to do. I want to change these drums to like regular brake calipers and rotors. Y'all see the car shifting perfectly on its own. I'm telling y'all, man, this car, it's a fun car to be in, man. I'm telling you, I love this car. The brakes like jerk a little bit too. I don't know what that is or why, but the car idles well. It don't shut off when it's idling. You know what I'm saying? Cornering lights work. Y'all know we made our own custom cornering lights. This car is just beautiful. I can't see if no cars coming because traffic's so backed up. I'm just gonna go. Y'all see the car shifting, and the car sounds good. Man, I'm telling y'all, man, I love this car so freaking much, bro. I love this car. And it's a blessing to be able to say I got my dream car already. You know what I'm saying? This car has always been my dream car, and the fact that I already got it and I got it now and I'm building it, it's no better feeling in the world, man. I'm telling you, no better feeling. My second dream old school car, as y'all know, is a Buick Regal. Can't find one, but I do want a Regal, but I don't want just any regular Regal. I want a Grand National. You know what I'm saying? I want a Grand National. But I know they so hard to find. If you find one, you paying upwards of 40, 50, 60,000. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't got that for a old school right now. Not even a new school. But I also want a Monte Carlo, and I already got the Cutlass, so I just need 2 more G bodies, the Monte Carlo and the Buick Regal. Then my old school collection is finished. That's the only old schools I want. But I love every old school, you know what I'm saying? I love every old school. The car's running smooth, man. So smooth. I need to put a little air in them air shocks in the back as well, so I need to do that. So make sure y'all remind me to do that. If not, I will forget, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all remind me to put air in the air shocks. Man, dog, I love this car. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all think it's driving. Even though y'all on the camera right now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all still with me right now. So y'all let me know how y'all think it's driving, how y'all think it sound. And like I said, it's really warm outside, so I'm getting a little hot in here. Even though my heating stuff is off. Turn it to cold. Even though my heating stuff is off, it's still pretty hot in here. Just seen the police ride by. My camera's starting to overheat too. Yeah, man, this is bad. Try and rock out with it until the camera does fully overheat. But like I told y'all, it's pretty hot. So just gonna do what we can until the camera overheats. And we'll just go from there. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I hope y'all enjoying this. And y'all let me know what y'all think about the car, how y'all think it sound, how y'all think it's shifting. Like I said, the car is perfect right now. So, yep. Like I said, we're gonna keep recording until the camera go ahead and overheat, but it's trying to overheat now. So hopefully it don't mess up my footage or anything. Hopefully everything is still good. Whew. Oh my goodness, man, I'm telling y'all. Yeah, it's like the brakes are a little jerky. Other than that, man, the car is riding good. It's just them brakes. Alright, y'all, so like I told y'all, we was gonna drive until the camera overheated, and it ended up overheating. So yeah, I'm glad I got a little bit of footage for y'all at least, you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen how the car was driving. Like I said, the brakes feel a little jerky. I don't know why that is. You know what I'm saying? It's like when you're trying to stop, it like, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, the car runs perfectly, you know what I'm saying? Drives perfectly, goes forward and reverse perfectly. You know what I'm saying? It's just that brakes. And I can probably fix that myself instead of trying to send it off again. Y'all just let me know what y'all think that could be. I don't know if y'all could tell in the video, but yeah, like when I would stop, it'll like jerk a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that could be because the idles will be too high maybe, or if it's just something with the brakes. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm gonna leave that up to y'all. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I got the window down because it's getting really hot in here, really hot, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had fun driving the car. Like I said, I love driving this car. I love being in this car and just being able to go cruise around the town in this car, you know what I'm saying? And being able to see like older people look at me and be like, aren't you a little too young to be driving a car this old, you know what I'm saying? But little do they know, I like a lot of these older cars more than a lot of these newer cars, you feel me? But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, man, they don't make the cars like they used to. You feel me? Being able to get in the old school is a different feeling than getting in these new schools. But a lot of people don't see it that way. A lot of people, my age anyways, don't see it that way. Maybe older folks, but Gen Z, my generation, people don't see it like that. You know what I'm saying? They don't see old schools as a treasure piece. You feel me? As something you don't just get rid of or throw in a junkyard. This is something you hold on to, you feel me? And the value gonna keep increasing on these cars because this is what the older generation wants. This is what older people wants, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of my generation like these type of cars, but most of them, they'd rather have like a Hellcat, Scat Pack, Mustang, you know what I'm saying? When I'm more of a old school kind of guy, you feel me? And like I said, man, there's nothing like getting in this car and just being able to go, being able to drive and have fun, just sitting in my old school car, vibing out, listening to music with the bass on, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing like that, man. There's nothing like this feeling. But like I said, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. The next video, y'all stay tuned. We will be throwing in my custom center console, wiring up the EQ and wiring up the charging ports. And yeah, we're gonna have us a custom center console here. So y'all stay tuned for this video coming right after this video, or the video coming right after this one, I should say. But man, other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell. Diesel truck. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all of y'all be notified every time I drop. Like I said, smash that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep growing together, keep elevating together. And make sure y'all share the channel. Share the channel to as many people as possible. Share this video to as many people as possible. And yeah, man, let's keep growing. Let's keep elevating, man. We've been doing good recently, you feel me? And I think that's because I stopped posting basketball videos again, which I don't know, I don't get it. Maybe I just need to focus on the car stuff for now. And then once I grow more, then I can start posting my basketball stuff again. But I just didn't want to give up on basketball that easily. You know what I'm saying? I liked having my camera out and recording. That made a lot of the people play harder, talk trash to each other, you know what I'm saying? But when I don't have the camera out, people just joke around and it be making me mad, it be frustrating me. But when the camera is out, people go crazy, people have fun, people go hard, play hard, trash talk to each other, all that type of stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I want to start recording again, but the videos just wasn't doing good. Even my car stuff was doing bad when I was posting basketball stuff too. But once the Cutlass come back, we're gonna go back to 4 days a week of me dropping instead of me just dropping 3 days, because I don't like these just posting 3 days. I miss posting 4 days, but I need my Cutlass back, so I know I'll be really good on videos to record to be able to post 4 times a week, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, share the channel, share this video. And yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoy. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace and stay tuned.